Oh boy, just driving around. I think this is the second time I've seen this bird have it out with this car. Oh, the testosterone gets going. He sees his reflection and it's not backing off. And he can't figure it out. Oh, and he's pecking his neck. Hey, my boy. I think this was Miss Fluffy Legs. Oh, getting blown, we're getting nailed by these cones. Oh, he's really done a number on his neck, and he's going back to the car. Oh my God, he's tormenting. Oh my God. He's harming himself. Bro, what's happening? This car isn't even shiny. Oh my God. Oh, that's hard to watch. He's really digging his feathers out. Bro, come on, Mr. Peacock. Oh man, testosterone really does wicked things to some of these peacocks. He's really agitated though. I'm surprised he's not coming after me. Oh, my buddy. Hey, bro. It's okay. Look. Oh, look, see, oh my God. Alright, it's getting hard to watch.